Welcome back to Speed Car Mania. The 2026 Toyota Camry XSE with all-wheel drive represents a pivotal transition as Toyota shifts exclusively to a hybrid powertrain. The previous V6 and turbocharged four-cylinder engines have been replaced with a 2.5-liter hybrid system, prompting the question, does this modification enhance or diminish the Camry's appeal? Aesthetically, the new Camry features a bold, contemporary design influenced by the Prius, incorporating sharp LED headlights and an assertive front fascia. The fully painted lower grille contributes to a refined, Lexus-like appearance. Functional air curtains enhance aerodynamics while the sculpted hood and prominent character lines create a dynamic stance. In contrast to the Honda Accord, often regarded as understated, the Camry projects a more distinctive presence. The XSE trim includes optional 19-inch gunmetal gray wheels and a black painted roof, reinforcing its premium appeal. A significant advantage over the Accord is the availability of all-wheel drive, which enhances traction and stability in adverse conditions. At the rear, the Camry continues its sporty aesthetic with a black trunk lid spoiler, sleek LED taillights, and functional exhaust tips. Its hybrid system delivers impressive fuel efficiency, achieving 44 mpg in the city and 43 mpg on the highway. The interior features a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and infotainment screen, a JBL 9-speaker audio system, heated and ventilated seats, and a panoramic sunroof. The 2026 Camry XSE Hybrid successfully integrates efficiency, technology, and style, solidifying its position as a competitive option in the mid-size sedan segment.